Right. Sorry. Now, uh, so this lesson is not coming. Let me erase it. Right. These are the three lessons. Actually, in my YouTube channel, I have already done this lesson. This lesson is complete with two videos. Did you all watch it? I have completed this lesson with two videos. This lesson also completed with two videos, but it's not the last video. I'm doing it in really fast space. Did you all watched it in the channel, or shall I may put the videos again back to you? Yes, you watched. Okay. Number systems, I have one video uploaded, which includes a small shortcut, because in the number systems lesson, what you want to learn is conversions. You have decimal number systems, you have binary number systems, you have octal number systems, you have hexa number system. When they give you in one system, you need to convert it to the asking next number system. That's what you want to learn in this lesson. So all the conversions shortcuts I have uh, uploaded as a video. Now I want to finish this session quickly, so you can go and watch those videos quickly as well. But there are some important facts that you should be know before going to the exam. After watching this video, you should know how the questions are asking, and how the ASCII is affecting you, how the using ASCII, how they construct questions, what kinds of questions are coming here. Again, there are some small facts that you need to know. I will teach those facts quickly in this video, and I will put set of YouTube video links which covers all these lessons. So before going to the exam, as much as possible, watch all the videos if you can, right? So by before 9 o'clock, I will try to finish everything. Uh, I will put all the links to you separately to the student who is messaging me. Your name is Mihlan, right? Hima. Himanil. I will put the links to Hima. Then you can watch it. So the things that you need to know separately, which is not in the videos, are, let's start those things. In the number systems lesson, this is our lesson now. The theory lessons are covered already. I will send you the short note. Hima, do you have the short note? Entire grade 10 short note that I have shared with you. Do you have it with you right now, or should I resend it? Yeah, you have the short note. Other students, did you get this short note? I have I have prepared a short note which includes all the theory parts, including lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. All the theory parts are there. So you can easily study by referencing those. Referring, you didn't get it. Hima, you didn't send the note to your friends. Are you? Send share the note. So in that note, dear, I have written all the important facts that you need to by heart. So you can really study those facts only. It's just 1 or 2 pages. First two lessons are just 1 or 2 pages. Correct. So you can easily, yeah, co-host has shared it. So here you have it, ICT grade 10. Shall I open it first? Desktop. Okay, I'll show you. Right. In this lessons here, you can see me. Yeah, mine is checking. Sir, in my phone, it's deleted. Okay, I'll send you. May you can download it from the Zoom chat. It's there. You can directly download. Here, Silamai, all the facts that you need to study are there. The grade 10 first lesson is this one. It's there. Then, uh, It's just only one page. It's just only one page. You can study this. And this is lesson number 2. So there are how many pages in the lesson number 2? Just 2 pages. There are just 2 pages. 2, 3 wage thiyena. 3 pages are there. These are the stuff coming. And now I am going to explain some important facts in lesson number 3, number systems, and I am going to send you all the previous videos, and this short note already you have it now. You can download it in the Zoom chat, right? Okay, let's start, kids. Lamai, it's better if you can take a writing book to note down the things that I'm telling you. It's really better. And please sit on a chair. Don't lie down on a couch or like that. Sit on a chair with a table and have a writing book, have your pens and the things ready so you can write it. When I say something to write, you can write it down. Hurry. Then, kids, it's like this. Now, assume you have a binary number. Lamai. What are the pictures you see in binary number system? In decimal number system, Lamai, you see 10 pictures. 0 to 9. 0 to 9, there are, including 0, 10 pictures are there. As numbers, you are learning from grade 1 to 10. You learn, right? So there are 10 pictures you thought they are numbers. But in binary Lamai, we have only 2 pictures. 0 is one picture and 1 is the other picture. So these 2 numbers only we have. So if you want to tell what is number 2, then Lamai, 0 is 0, 1 is 1, then 2 is again 1, 0. 3 is 1, 1. 4 is 1, 0, 0. There is a pattern that you have to understand how to construct and tell any number like this. So I am going to teach you, Lamai, this pattern now. Today I am going to teach you this pattern. Harid. Now listen very carefully. This is how we are going to do this. Harid. So if you have a book, you can write down the topic forward binary. Forward binary, or else you can put a bracket and write finding after number. Finding after number. This is our topic now. This is our topic. Write this topic in your book. I'm hoping you are doing the things that I'm saying. Harilamai, then write down these steps. Write down these steps in a corner. Write down these steps. You have to memorize these steps. Step number 1, always start from right. Always start from right to left. Start from right. Start right to left. Start from right to left. Okay. Second step, you don't know what does this mean. For now, you don't know anything. What I'm writing, just write down. I will make you clear. Don't worry about anything. I will make it clear. For now, just write the steps. The first zero turn to 1. That is your next step. The first 0 you see, you have to turn it to a 1. Then numbers behind, or else digits behind the converted number should be should be zeros. All the digits in binary, we are calling each and every digit is a bit. In binary, we are calling each and every digit is a bit. All the bits behind, changed bit should convert to 0. 0 ne. Yeah, 0, 0. Right. 0. Then number 4. All the bits front of changed bit, changed bit, you have to just repeat. These are the steps. Now you don't understand any of this. You don't understand any of these steps, but you have to follow these steps. I will show you how to do this. Hurry. For an example, I am taking a binary number. Hurry. So what is my first step? Now I am going to find the, not this number. Let's take a small number 1010. This is a small binary number. The binary equivalent, the decimal equivalent for this binary number, dear, is number 10. This is number 10 in decimal. Hurry. Number 0, 1. Okay. This is number 9. This is actually number 9 in decimal. This is number 9 in decimal format. This is number 9. So we are going to find the after number. What is the after number? What comes after 9? Now drop me a message, kids. Drop me a message. What comes after 9? What comes after 9? Now this is the binary number for 9. How did I got it? I just know. You don't need to know. I just know this is the binary number for 9. You don't need to know that. Hurry. What is the number coming after number 9? What is the number coming after number 9? Grade 2 mathematics. Grade 2 maths. What is the number? Yes. Number 10. Number 10. Very good. Number 10. Nothing big. Now in binary Lamai, we are going to find the number 10. How to do that? Here, see Lamai, what is the first step? What is the first step? You have to start from right to left. That means you have to look always right to left. You have to look always right to left. Remember the direction of this arrow sign. Remember the direction of this arrow sign. Turn the first 0 to 1. Lamai, the first bit. Is this a 0? Is this a 0? No. No, right? Is this a 0? Yes, that is a 0. That is a 0. That is the first 0 you see. Turn that to Atlamai number 1. Here, see, second step is complete. That is the first 0. You are looking right to left. You are looking right to left. This is not a 0, so you skipped it. This is the first 0 you see. Therefore, you turned it to number 1. All the bits behind the changed bit. Now, this is the changed bit, Nilamai. This is the changed bit. This is the changed bit. What bit? Changed bit. I turned that 0 to 1. This is the changed bit. All the bits behind that changed bit should be what, Lamai? 0. And behind means this side. Behind means always this side. Harid, behind means this side. So all the bits behind this number should turn to what? 0. All the bits behind this number. If there are more numbers, all the numbers should be turned to 0. Okay, third step is done. Fourth one, all the bits front of the change bit, repeat. That means front means Lamai, this side. Front means this side. So what you should do, just repeat it. 1, 0, 1, 0. Lamai, this is what? This is what? This is the binary number of number 10. This is the binary number of number 10. Okay, kids, drop me a message. Is this clear or is it still a little bit confusing? Shall I do one more example or else is this clear? If you write down these steps, it will be clear for you. Is that clear? This is how you find the answer. Yeah, clear. Kima, what about you? Clear, right? No, nice. Then are there any students other than you two? 5 are there? Ira, right? What about you? Clear the deal? Is those things clear? This is how you find the after number. This is how you find the after number. If that's clear, we are moving. Yeah. Yes, okay, very good. You guys are good, huh? If it is clear, then If you want, you can write it down quickly. If you want, you can write this example quickly. Write it down in your book. Make it quick. Make it quick. Make it quick. And drop me a message. Now you have to be fast because the exam is tomorrow. We have no time to stay like that. All so done. Okay, right. So we are moving. Lama, you can write the next topic, backward binary, or else find in the before. You can write the topic, backward binary, or else you can write in the bracket, finding before. Find in the before. Right? This is the topic. Here, what my steps are gonna be exactly opposite of the previous one. My step was, first step was starting from right to left. That is not changing. Always starting from right to left. That step is not changing. Start right to left. That is not changing, kids. All the other steps are changing. See, first 0 to 1, you should change first 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Change first 1 to 0. Change first 1 to a 0. Harid. Third step, all the bits behind change bit 0, change bit, you turn into 0 on it. Now you have to change all the turn bits, all the behind bits to 1. Change all the behind bits to 1. Earlier we turned to 0, kids. Earlier we turned it to 0, behind letters we turned to 0. But now we are going to turn the behind letters to 1. Step 4. Step 4 is all the bits in the front, that is not going to change, Lama. That is not going to change. Still again, all the front bits repeat. It's not changing. Now, Lama, can you see step number 1 is not changing. Step number 4 is not changing. Only step number 2 is changing and step number 3 is changing. Understood? Now, let's write the example quickly. Let's make it quick. All right, let's make it a little bit quick. All right. Okay. So, this is my example. I am going to find the number 8 now. This is number 9 as my earlier example. This is number 9. So my next number before number should be what, kids? Number 8. The number before 9 should be number 8. Number 9. Now the number before number 9 is 8. How do we convert this? Starting from again right to left. Starting from again right to left. That is not changing. See the first one that you see. Lama, this is the first bit. Is this a 1? Is this a number 1? Yes, that is a number 1. So nothing to worry. Just convert that number 1 to what? 0. Turn that to a 0. Turn that to a 0. Kids, change all the behind bits to 1. Do we have any behind bits? Do we have any behind bits? No. There are no behind bits. There are no behind bits. But front bits are there. We have front bits. So you have to repeat exactly. We have 1, 0, 0. This is my number 8. This is number 8. Harid. This is number 8. Harid. Lamai, if you are remember now both the steps, I am going to give you a small activity. I need you all to find. You can write these examples if you want. You can write this example if you want. I want you all to find these numbers before and after. Find before number and after number first. Tell me the before number and after number of this number. You have to follow the steps. We have to follow the steps. I'm waiting for your answers. Make it quick, kids. This question, if you are getting government paper or else government all-level paper, this question is compulsory. This kind of a question will be there. And most of the school teachers don't know to teach this part. මේ part එක කියලා දෙන්න දන්නේ. Right? So, do it and tell me. Find the before, find the after. And drop me a message. Can you find? But it's too late. Or shall I show you one example? Okay, I'm getting one answer. Before number 100. That is before number the sure the did you do the before steps? That is not the before number. Is that the before number, dear? Please check again. I think that's the after number. You send me. You did these steps, ne? These are the steps you did. So that is for after number, dear. To find the before, these are the steps you need to do. Taking too much time. Correct. Correct, Sarah. Your answer is correct. What about Hima? Send me your answer in private. Send me your answer in private. What about Tyra? Or shall I do? If it is hard, tell me. I will do it. Hard. If it is hard, let me know. Okay, Hima, your after number is correct. What is your before number? What is the before number? Right. Okay, your answer is correct. What about Ira? You are the one remaining. Okay. Since you are taking much time, I will do this question. Right. I will do this. See, kids. So, first of all, I will find the after number. I am going to find the after number. So, what are my steps? First, I will write the question. Okay. So, I should start from always right to left. I will always start from right to left. First, I should change the first zero. I should change the first zero to 1. What is the first zero I see? And the first bit is a 0, Lamai. The very first bit is a 0, so I can change it to 1. Then I have to make all the behind bits 0. Are there any behind bits here before this? No, ne. There are no behind bits. I have only front bits. What should I do to the front bits? Always repeat the front bits as it is. So I'm repeating 1, 0, 0, 1. Easy. This is my after number. So what is my before number? What is my before number? I will write down my question again. Hurry. Then always start from right to left. Always start from right to left. First one that you see, the first one, number one that you see, turn that one to a 0. What is the first number one you are seeing? This is the number, which is the first bit, but it is a 0. The first bit is a 0. So you are taking this, are you touching this? No. You should look for the first number one. You should look for the first number one. So see for this number, see. That is a 1 name. That is a number 1. And you should convert this to what? You should convert this to what? A 0. So convert this to a 0. Convert this to a 0. Then change all the behind bits to 1. Change all behind bits to 1. What are the behind bits? You have a 0 here. Turn that to number 1. Turn that to number 1. No any other behind bits. Only this. Turn that to number 1. Then what's the fourth step? What's the fourth step? All the front bits, you have to repeat it again. All the front bits, you have to repeat. So this is my before number. This is my before number. Lamai, is this clear? Hope this is clear now for everyone. Hope this is clear. If you want, you can take a screenshot of the steps, or else you can write it down. The steps are important. Right. Clear. Right. Clear. Done. Right, kids. Now, with this, I am going to give you a small activity. One last activity. Now, the question is coming like this, kids. Questions are coming like this. They will give you letter A in probably 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is my letter A. This is my letter A. They are asking you to, sometimes they are asking you to find the binary representation of a word like this, small word like this. So you know letter A. B is coming after A. So you have to find the after number for B. And then D is coming after C. So you have to find the after number for C and then after number for the D. And you have to write it down. B, A, D. You have to write the binary representations of these letters like this. Can you do this activity? So you have to find the after numbers. You have to find the after numbers here. Do this. Follow the steps. Follow the steps that I gave you and find this one. It will be easy for you. Probably it's an easy thing. Now try to do this. This is the way you are going to get the questions. If it is a standard paper. Okay, do this one. And how can you tell me the answer? Tell me the binary representation of D only. Hurry. If you found the answer, kids, if you found the answer, tell me the binary number for number D. Tell me the binary number coming for the letter D. Tell me the binary number coming for the letter D. We are learning about ASCII. If any question is coming from ASCII, this is the way you have to answer. This is a lesson from ASCII. ASCII in the number systems ASCII part. This is how the ASCII. This is not the exact ASCII value of letter A. You are not need to memorize all the ASCII values of each and every letter. That is not a requirement. But they will give you letter A and ask from these. You have to convert and get it. You have to find the after number and get it. That is your task. Try to do that. And tell me the number coming to the letter D. What is the number coming? I'm getting one number. So Sarah is telling me, oh, nice. Nice. Yes. Your answer is correct, dear. Your answer is correct. So you can easily write this word in binary, right? This is how your computer saves everything in binary language. Your answer is correct. What about Hima? What about Hima? What about Tyra? Make it quick. Now it's nearly 8. After this, I will tell you the next workflow. What should you do? What is the order you have to watch my videos next? I will give all the links to Hima. I will send the links to the Hima in the order. You have to watch those videos as much as you can before going to the exam. And you have to try to memorize all the facts in the short note. If you do exactly everything before tomorrow, you are going to get easy A pass for tomorrow's exam. Right? But this is tough. Doing everything before the before day is going to be hectic. Hope you are okay with it. Right? You cannot actually, this is really impossible to cover everything in just before the day for any student. It will be a huge headache. This should be a day by day process. This should be a day by day process. When I started online classes, what happened? All the online classes students joined my physical classes. My physical class student count is 40 plus. There are around 40 to 50 students are there in my physical class, and my online class got empty. Because of this, I had to stop it. So the students who are far away couldn't get the fruit. But still, I managed to put all the videos on the YouTube. Harida Hima, what about you? Did you find? D10001, Harira. Harira is correct. That's correct. What about Hima? Now, did you find? So, what is the process, kids? What is the process? You have to find the next one. So, if this is A, what is B? What is B? Find the next one. First 0 turn to 1. No zeros behind, no bits behind. Repeat everything coming after that. Okay? Yes, that is B. Then C. Then what C? Turn the first 0 to 1. Behind everything turn to a 0. Repeat the front. Right? Then what is D? Yeah. Right. So what's D? First 0 that you see turn to 1. Then repeat everything in the front. This is your D. Right. Okay. Hima, your answer is correct. Hari. Now, kids, this is how the questions are going to be coming. Then the next thing I want to teach you is the BCD. That's the last thing you have to learn. BCD. For this, I want you to memorize how to draw the binary chart. So this is how you're going to draw the binary chart. Listen carefully. You have to start from 0. You have to start from 0 and draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop at 15. Once you stop at 15, mark this 10 as letter A, 11 as letter B, this is for hexadecimal, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, 15 as F. Then you are going to draw all the binary numbers for this. How you are going to draw this? You have easy method of doing it. First of all, draw 8 zeros. 8 zeros. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 zeros, 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 zeros, 8 1. Now you have rules in your book, so you are going to be easy to do this. Next, 4 zeros, 4 ones. See, 4 zeros, 4 ones. 4 zeros, 4 ones. Lamai. If this is the pattern, what should be my next column? First, I drew 8 zeros, 8 ones. Next, 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones. Then what should be my next column? Exactly.
2 zeros, 2 ones.
2 zeros, 2 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones. Then what should be my next column, dear? What should be my next column? Tell me.
1 0 1 1.
Not 1 0. It's not 1 0. You see 8 zeros, 8 ones. 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones. 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. Go through the pattern. You should start from 0, right? Always we started from zeros. So it's 0 1 0 1, not 1 0 1 0. Right? It's 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1, not 1 0 1 0. If you followed 1 0 1 0 pattern, you are going to get wrong. So Lamai, if your answer is correct, if your chart is correct, see, first column should be set of zeros, first row should be a 0, last row should be a set of ones. Last row should be set of ones. If your binary chart is correct. Now, Lama, in BCD, you are only going to get up to 9. May 9 when come with you are only going to get up to here. Now, they might give you a decimal number, something like this. Something like this. 68. All you need to do is look the chart and write down the binary number. What is the binary number of 8, dear? What is the binary number of 8? See this one, ne? This is the binary number of 8, ne? Copy the exact value. Copy the exact value. 1, 0, 0, 0. Right? Then, what is the binary number for number 6? What is the binary number for number 6? Here, look. 0, 1, 1, 0. This is 0, 1, 1, 0. Your base should be BCD. Your base should be BCD. This is your answer. If you understood this, try to find the numbers for this in base 10. Find the BCD. 27. Okay. Find the answers for these two quickly. Find the answers for these two quickly. And you should have the practice to how to draw this binary chart. You should have the practice to how to draw this binary chart as well. Harid. Do it. Right, I'm getting one answer. Hima is giving me the answer 45. Okay. Okay. Number 5 is that. Correct. Your answer is correct. Sarah, your answer is correct. What about Ira? What about your answer? And Hima, number 27. And Sarah, try to convert this back to decimal. Okay, try to convert this one. This is in BCD format. Try to convert this back to decimal. Try to convert this back to decimal. Okay, right. You have to start from right to left and you have to group. You have to start from right to left and you have to group. Group by 4. Group by 4 bits. Group by 4 bits. And look at the chart and write it down. That's it. So you have to memorize this chart. The way you write this chart, you have to memorize the method. How did you write this part? The pattern you should memorize. This pattern, you memorize karega. Right. Right. Do we need to write the front zeros? Yes, yes, yes. You should write the front zeros in BCD. If not, your answer is wrong. Why am I? The BCD is coming in 8-bit format. It is in 8-bit format. So 8 numbers should be there. 8 bits should be there. It's a compulsory thing. 82, this one. Right, correct. Correct. This is 82. How did you got it? Okay, you group by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You draw a line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no problem. Then what is the value of this one? Number 2, right? See, exact same. So that is 2. This is 1000. Here, look, 8. 82. 82, huh? 82. So this is your answer. This is your answer, BCD to decimal. So Lamai, BCD to decimal conversion, is it clear? 100% clear. 100% clear. Clear, right? Okay. Okay, kids. Okay, with these things, clear, ne? So then what if we get a single decimal number? I mean like 903, no, you are not going to get like that. You are always getting 2. This is the way you are going to get, right? Not a single decimal number. Sadly, if yes, if you got something like that, then put a 0 in front of it. If you got number 9, put a 0 in front of it and write 0000. Then 91001. Okay. Then find me. If you got something like that, usually you are getting something like this only. But sometimes, if you want, you can write, it's 0 is 000. So you should write in 8 bits. Understood? Clear, right? Okay. With that, the lesson is ending. Number system lesson is ending. This is the part 2 actually. This is the part 2 of number systems lesson, kids. This is the part 2. So where is part 1? Part 1 is there in my YouTube channel. I will send you all the links. Now you have time to watch my videos and make everything okay, because in one night I can't teach everything. All I can do is giving you all the videos. You can speed the things up and see your channel. So if you come to my channel, if you come to PrimeICT YouTube channel, there are lots of A-level videos. You have to come to videos section here and you have to search number systems. Here, you have to search here. Here, search number system, or else I will give the link as well. Here, see Lamai, I have a video with all the shortcuts. See, O-level ICT exam hacks. Number system shortcuts you must know before you go into an exam. It is a 1.5 hour video, but because you have less amount of time, watch it speedily. Watch it speedily. Harid, once this one is complete, now you already face the part 2 of the video, then my entire number systems lesson is complete. It's complete. If you watch this video right now, with the things that you learned today, entire number system is 100% complete. Okay, number systems lesson is complete. What about the other first two lessons? The best advice is, Lamai, better than watching videos, the best thing you can do is study the note as much as you can. Study the note as much as you can. But if you want a video, the video is there. I will put the links to him. That's the thing I can do. Haridhar, if you want the video. Uh, in when you are studying, mark these parts. Remember, these parts are the mainly important parts we have to study. Now, this is one night before. Study this data transmission media. Study the data transmission media, categories and their uses. Study the network topologies. These are easy things to keep in mind. The network topologies. Then study the modes, data transmission modes, simplex, duplex, half duplex, full duplex, those things. Then study the generations are important. These generations are very important. No need the examples column lamai. This part is the most important one. Study this part. It will be coming. Mark these things. Yeah. Yes, like cheese, it's easy. Okay. So, sir, can you explain ASCII to you? Learned ASCII tamai. This is ASCII. This is ASCII. ASCII means kids. ASCII means may wait. Now you learn this this conversion step. This is what you need to learn in ASCII. So the ASCII questions are coming like this. They will give you letter A and ask in the others in the order like that. That's ASCII. ASCII means, kids, now in the computer, what is the language? What is the language that everything written inside the computer? Computer understands only binary. Only binary. So ASCII means, now you know, in the number systems, you know all the numbers, all the normal numbers can be converted to what? Binary. Numbers are okay, you learned that. But for the words, letters, what happens? Letters, you need a predefined binary value. So there is a chart. Chart there's a thing like capital A, this is the binary number. There is a binary number predefined. It is already there, cannot change. It is not a binary value. It's just a binary letter. B has another number. Simple A has another binary number, something like this. Like that, there are 7-bit binary numbers are there for each and every letter. That is called ASCII. But they are not going to ask you, they are in the exam, they won't ask you what is the binary value for this letter, what is the binary value for this letter. They are not going to ask you. They will ask questions like this only. They will ask the questions like this. So you don't need to memorize the entire ASCII table. You don't need to memorize the entire ASCII table. So Lamai, now tell me, ASCII is supporting only English or all the languages? Only English or all the languages? ASCII is supporting for only English or all the languages? Tell me. Tell me. It is American Standard Code Information Interchange. ASCII means Lamai American Standard Code Information Interchange. Their code is for information exchanging done by Americans. Americans, do they use any other language? Do the Americans use any other language? No, right? So ASCII has binary values only for what letters? What letters? ASCII has binary numbers for what letters only? English letters only. It is only English. Therefore, Lamai, because of this problem only, we found Unicode. We found Unicode. Unicode supports other languages like Sinhala, Tamil, Urdu, Hindi. Several languages are supported by Unicode. ASCII is only supported by English. That is a limitation. That is a disadvantage, problem. Other people also willing to use the computers in their language. They also wanted to write the documents in their language. Therefore, they invented what? Unicode. They invented Unicode. Earlier, we had only ASCII. This is the way you are getting questions. Lama, is it clear? Is that clear now? Is it clear up to here? Drop me a message. What is ASCII? What is BCID and everything? Yes, okay, very good. Yeah, okay. Now, what you think to do, watch this video if you haven't watched it. There are lots of shortcuts. And my suggestion is please refer the tube, refer the note, study this note as much as you can. If you are going to look for the videos, videos are out to 1 hour, 2 hour, like that long. That's too long. Now you are going to sleep as well. You need a good sleep before you face the exams. So try to cover as much as possible after the exams. Let's talk about if we are continuing the classes or something. We will talk about it after the exams. Right now, eat well and start watching this video. After that video, while you're on the bed, try to refer the things in this note as much as possible. Is that okay? I'm going to end the meeting because you need to have some time to study. You should have some time to study as well. That's why. Is that cool? If I end it here and I'm giving you time to study that video, and all the videos I will be sending to Hima, all the YouTube video links with the lesson names. I will be sending to Hima as a WhatsApp message. Is that fine, dear? All of you. Fine, right? Right, okay. Right, okay, cool. Then, kids, I'm going to end the video and study as much as you can for the tomorrow's exam. Good luck, y'all. May God bless you. Harene. Okay, and God bless you. We are ending the session.